Alright, in this video, I'm going to teach you how I made this track called the Ojes and Enkwa. This time around, I'll show you how I made the chords. Pay very attention to understand everything. Here is the chord. Let me remove this. I'm going to show you how I made the hi-hat and the snare. So as you can see how the hi-hat sounds together with this snare. Alright, this time around I'll show you how I made the rule of the song. The rule. That's how the rule sounds like. This one is shaker from the percussion. All the sound you are hearing here is a FL Mobile Studio. I did not invite any external cord or all these things from. This one is Tom to make it sound real like an AfroBeat. Listen together. Come around this string. So another thing now is the just chord of intro and another, sorry, the bass. I'll show you how I play the bass. So this one is the chord which I created to just make the music very nice. Let me show you. So this is the whole chord, and I'm going to play everything together for you to see how the whole beat sounds like and how I arranged it. I'll not show you how I arranged it today, but I'll show you how I arranged it next time, and show you many things, the effects which I use to make it sound so classic like this.